Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're going to be continuing R2-D2. We have issue 13 right here, and we got some nice parts. So why don't we get to it? Alright, so here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got 3 dome support base legs, another piece of a ring frame and a couple of ring frame connectors, and 2 more pieces of the dome frame. In addition to that, you're going to need the dome base from previous issues. You're going to need the dome assembly to date. You're going to need 4 long silver screws, 4 of the nuts, and 3 of the longer black screws. Alright, we're going to begin by extending the dome frame here. You'll notice that we've got these 2 dome frames pieces here, and they're slightly different. This one's got an indentation on the top. This one has an indentation on the bottom, and we're going to begin with the one that's got the indentation on the top. If you take a look at your dome frame, it's going to go just to the right of the last piece, right here, and it will attach identically to the other ones. Alright, once you've got that piece in, we just finish it off with the last piece right there, and we screw it in the same way as all of the others. And there you have it. Dome frame is complete and looking spectacular. Loving this. Absolutely loving this. Moving on, we're going to build the dome frame base here. And this looks identical. So we're going to start with the piece that has this tab here. I'm going to slide that in, just like that. We're going to use one of the long black screws to attach it. We move on to the next one. Same deal as before. Just slide it in. Nice and tight. There we go. And secure it with a long black screw. And last but not least, the last piece. Same deal as before. Slide it in. One long black screw. All right. Once the base is complete, if you so desire, I'm going to open up the support rod here. Now, if you take a look, the support rod seems to be just one long silver piece, no threading or anything on it, and it's supposed to slide into this hole all the way down, just like that. And then you can take the dome, and right here where the bearing will go, you can use that to balance the dome right on top. Just like that. Alright, we got a couple of extra pieces that we didn't need this time around, but this is awesome. This is just incredibly cool. I can't wait to extend it a little bit more and put on some extra detail, but for now, I'm really quite happy with this. This has been issue 13 of the R2 build. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all next time. Have a great day.